Alright, so I just boarded my plane in Tampa, going out to LAX. There's been a lot of issues with it. Basically, since I'm traveling without a passport and I'm just active duty military, it's been causing some issues. Hopefully it doesn't cause any more. I really don't want to get stranded in China. Pretty much pretty stressful trip so far, and we haven't even taken off, so thank you to Delta Airlines for getting it all figured out in a pretty quick manner, maybe 30 minutes, and we got it all figured out. So hopefully it's smooth from here. We'll see. Hopefully I can get some video of us taking off. wasn't bad. I got some really good video, got some really good photos, and hopefully this next flight on my way to China is going to be about the same. It's going to be about 14 hours, a little bit longer, especially since we're going up against the headwinds. That'll be pretty rough, but if it's like this last one, it should be fine. Can't wait. Excited to get back to Korea. After I get to China, it's going to be a 13-hour layover, 13 hours and 50 minutes or so, and then I will be on my way back to Korea. That should be a 2-hour flight. We'll have a tailwind, and with that, I'll get on a bus and go back to the base. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. I have a layover here for about 3 hours, but I want to make sure that I get to the right spot, and I need to pull some money out to exchange while I'm in Korea. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Well, I just made it to the international terminal. The place is pretty empty. Not sure how I feel about that. I feel like I'm in the wrong spot. Hopefully I'm in the right spot. We'll see how that works out. Gotta find my term or my gate now. It's 135. That's me. Straight ahead. Gate 135. It's empty. I mean, what should I expect though? I've got 3 hours. 3 long hours. So I found an ATM. Got my money. I'm not sure how much it's gonna cost for a bus. If it's the same one that I got last time, it's gonna be like 19 bucks. But maybe the USO bus costs more. Not sure. I think it's 35, I don't know, I took out 40. We'll see. I still gotta figure out the whole China situation. It's getting confusing. But my plane is here. Just waiting on us, I guess, for the next hour. My bags haven't been put on the plane yet, so that's stressing me out. Traveling is not good when you have anxiety, guys. It really isn't. It's easy to get frustrated and easy to get overwhelmed. I'm just trying to take it one step at a time, figure out what's going on, and trying to vlog as much as possible, so it kind of keeps my mind off of it. But conveniently, my gate is like centrally located, so makes it easy. I also mentioned a little bit ago that there was like nobody in here. It's full. The seats that aren't completely taken by bags or people are filling up quick. Well guys, it would appear that I am screwed. The Chinese government won't allow me to go into the country. So I'm stuck in California with no transportation, nowhere to stay, no money. So right now I'm just going to the USO lounge, see if I can figure out what to do from there. If not, that's where I'll be sleeping tonight, tomorrow, probably next day as well. Wish me luck.